Welcome everyone, MB welcome over here. We're gonna do a vid today talking about Bitcoin, altcoins, what's going on in the markets. So it's going to be a good one, just a market update as you guys are used. So push on the like, please leave a comment for the algorithm, and let's dive in directly. Okay, we've got Bitcoin over here. We've got this chart shared on YouTube. Shared it on YouTube and on Twitter. So if you're not following me on Twitter, there's a link below, MB Will Killer, M Will Killer. So follow me on Twitter. I will give most of my accurate and updated charts are all shared over there. So follow me on Twitter if you're not following me on Twitter. So let's dive in. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. First of all, what we're seeing, we had this chart that I shared, this falling wedge, massively. It's, you know, sometimes I get shocked by myself how good TA works, because it's really mind-blowing how you, from over here, you go up, first touch, you come down, you touch it again, you come down, you touch this line exactly again, you go up into the 200 EMA, you come back, you touch the line almost exactly again, go up, down, and then you'll come retest this trend line over here. And as you guys, let me show you on the 1 hour so you can see better. You see how, look how perfectly this thing gets over here and then gets rejected again. It's really mind-blowing. This is TA, guys. This is just pure TA, and it shows you how TA works. And you know, it could have just went right straight up. So it's just probabilities. It's never a guarantee that it's going to work out. But you can. It's in trading. It's always about probabilities. So you have to at some point make a choice. Okay, we're heading into resistance, so I'm probably going to open up a short over here. So you open up the short over here, and then you're going to see what's going on. Well, why is Bitcoin reaching over here and not dumping down? Because the next level for Bitcoin, if this, let me put it on the 4 hours so you can see better. So if you really would be TA wise, just follow whatever the TA is telling you, the next level for Bitcoin to drop to is 58K. That's just how it is. So, and if we break up, then we've got this line 72K levels. So this is if you just TA wise, pure TA. But it's not only about TA, and there is a reason why Bitcoin is showing a lot of strength. Because over here we broke. This was the 8 bill that has gotten accepted by Congress, and that's when we saw this one in the weekend. And then we came back, and look how beautifully this indicator has been holding. Look over here, break it up. It's just pure TA over here. Retest, hold, longs get open on the indicator, and up we go. So to the ones that have been trading this, congrats, really congrats. By the way, guys, indicator, MW indicator. If you want this indicator, there's a link below. Maxi, Weeks, or OKX. Trade on one of those 3 exchanges. Those are one of the best exchanges in the world. So just choose one. And for the non-KYC traders, Weeks is your best exchange to trade on. So most of the retailers, for my private, trade on Weeks. Weeks is really growing very fast. So Weeks. So look at this. If you trade this, congrats to that. But for now, this hammer that is banging on over here, what is going on? Why is this thing showing some strength? Well, in my opinion, I shared it to the private in the weekend. It has something to do with the 8 bill that has gotten passed, so probably some money is getting ready to get out again. Maybe the printer is running again, and then you'll see assets like Bitcoin ramping up. It has always been like this, guys. It has always been like this. When, you know, maybe I'm going to make a chart with dates when Congress passes a bill to aid whatever out there, and then you'll see Bitcoin ramping up, and this is really pure TA. Ramp up, come back, retest, and off she went. So for now, guys, we are bullish on whatever the indicator is telling us. Based on this trend line, we need to break this trend line, close a 4 hour candle above it, and it comes together with the daily. Because look, guys, this is also the daily. That's why Bitcoin has been struggling now. So it's the trend line, it's the indicator. They're all at this level from 66.7. So it's struggling over here to break it up. But if it breaks up, it could go up very strong and very high. So we'll probably get into the 68.5 levels very fast. So if this thing breaks up, you can see maybe a candle like this one. So that's what we're eyeing over now. Let me go to the US 500. Guys, the US 500, look at it. Well, guys, it's trying, because we've got some big events coming up this week. We got the PCI, we've got something with the households, something with what was it? GDP we've got this week. So there are some things running. And let me tell you, based on the US 500, when events are coming up, most of the times you see the US 500 start ramping up again. But that's just the US 500. It most of the times does this. And we've got the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is really getting totally wrecked. It has something to do also with Nvidia. Nvidia is dumping just like shit on Twitter the past weeks. I told you guys Nvidia was reaching the 1000 level, and that was the level to go short. And I can tell you, just like share on Twitter, the team has been shorting Nvidia between the 950 and 1k levels, and they are in massive gains, and they didn't even take profits yet. That's how bearish they are on Nvidia. And let me tell you, Nvidia at where is Nvidia? Nvidia, look at this, guys. Look at this. Nvidia, look at this. Look at this, guys. Let me put it on the daily so you can see it better. Look at this, guys. This was that double top. This was that 1000. So from the 950 they started shorting this, and look at this, guys. This is a drop off. This is by far the most FOMO asset in the world. 22%. That's a lot, guys. And well, congrats to the team for shorting that one. So for now, let me go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now trying to break this indicator, and if it breaks this indicator, well, that's when I expect a lot more green candles up. So it's now really, it's struggling. If this thing closes the daily candle above it, you can expect more bullishness, but it also depends on what this one is going to do. If the US 500 just keeps ranging over here and keeps holding the line, if it gets rejected on the India way and starts dumping down, don't expect a lot from Bitcoin. But if it holds the line, Bitcoin might break out and do its thing. So let me go back to my chart. Where is my chart? Where's my chart? Yeah, let me go to this one first of all, guys, for the altcoins. The team and I have been buying a lot of blood past weekend when altcoins have gotten into our buying zones, just like shadow. So, and we've taken about 30-40% from profits from those buy orders. Is it time to take some more profits from our buy orders and our altcoins? Well, in my opinion, we should take a bit more of our altcoins, because at this moment, look at this, guys. Let me put on the indicator, the dominance chart. You're seeing what I'm seeing. We hit my target 57%, just like shared past weeks, and we hit the indicator. We're now bouncing up. So if this thing ramps up, it will help Bitcoin also to break this level over here. So if the money from altcoins start flipping into dominance again, this thing will probably break up, and that's bullish. So that's bullish, guys. It's not so bullish for altcoins. Altcoins will hold and rise also, but Bitcoin will get stronger over here. So we're now watching the dominance chart. It's a very important chart to check. I wanted to see this thing just ramp down, but listen, guys, if the dominance charts start ramping up back to make a possible double top, and the Bitcoin USDT pair will start dumping, altcoins will get wrecked again. So we'll get another big dump on altcoins. So keep this in mind. Bitcoin is stronger than most altcoins at this moment. Look at it. It's bouncing from the indicator and also from this liquidity zone over here. So keep that in mind. So it's very hard to trade at this moment. You really have to be really good in trading if you want to trade a lot of altcoins. So let me go and show you guys some of the altcoins that I'm eyeing at this moment. And at this moment, let me see, where are my altcoins. RLC is the one that I've been sharing and telling you guys about past week, and it's mind-blowing. This is the reason why I keep telling you certain altcoins are very strong, guys. They're very strong, and this is one of them, because look at this RLC. I made maybe like 3-4 vids explaining you guys about RLC, and look at this, guys. This is a 62% bounce. It's mind-blowing. So past weekend, it's about 6, 7, 8 days ago, we were at 190. We're now at $3. Do you see how strong this is? These are the coins that I like. So if this thing by any means comes back, did something like this, comes back to the indicator, comes back to retest this, confirm this support zone, it's a pretty good buying zone over here. So RLC, guys, keep an eye on RLC. RLC is really one of the coins. It's in my top 5 coins and one of the coins that I'm very bullish on. So keep an eye on RLC. So for now, guys, it's just waiting time. In the private, we have been shorting some altcoins that haven't been doing a lot. So the the altcoins, the team has been getting stopped out in profits, small profits, and sometimes on a break even. So they're eyeing, so they're still solid for the private group members that are watching this vid. So they're still going into those coins and expecting a big retrace from those ones. So thank you all for watching. For the ones that want to join the private, the links and the description of how to get in are below. Push a like. Thanks all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.